Now, ito, in fairness, maganda pa rin yung gulong niya. Sorry guys, nakita nyo talaga ganun ako mag-test. Alam ko sabihin nyo, oh my gosh, Jax, ang dami mong dala. Yes, takot ako maubusan ng baterya. Cords. So, meron ako yung mga typical maliit. I will have mga 3-meter cords and a 2-meter cords. Let's say may humihilik dyan sa tabi mo, wala ka naririnig. Ganon. This one can power up your MacBook. Ceramic siya. I personally like ceramic kasi kung makahanap ka na mas affordable, why not, diba? Just get that one. So guys, welcome to another vlog. And for today, syempre something special is, you know, my travel accessory, my travel gears. And I want to share with you, kasi usually tinatanong nyo, ano ba yung dadala mo whenever you travel? And of course, something na nakikita ko online. And what's good about it now, ang kagandahan guys dito is, I will have more of a premium selection or yung parang things that I love, things that I have always been using. Yung, kasi, di ba, there are some categories which I, you know, kind of splurge on. Splurging meaning because, ito yung gusto ko talaga. Like parang, I like the product, I like the brand, and then I believe in it, and alam kong matibay siya. But also for this vlog, syempre, ang ginawa ko naman is alam nyo rin naman that I like looking for the best deals. So naghanap rin ako ng mga, you know, alternatives or yung mga mas affordable options na pwede natin kunin or pwede natin bilhin. Wala akong i-arrange in terms of my favorite, but I will give you all the pros and cons with all of these different items na binili ko and that I use. And then, marami pa mga bonus items as well. Alam ko medyo hindi ako gumagawa ng ganitong content for kadalasan, but I kind of have these kind of contents way back. Kung nasubaybayan nyo pa ako mga 2020 at saka 2021. Yung mga lockdown era. Guys. So anyways, without further ado, let us begin with the first important thing whenever we travel. Definitely yung mga maleta natin. At dahil dyan, zoom out natin yung camera para makita nyo ako ng kabuuhan ko. Char. Okay, one of my oldest luggage na ginagamit ko more than 3 years na to is definitely the first one here that I will show you. This is my World Traveler Lapland luggage. Ito yung nakikita nyong lagi kong dinadala. Now, the size of this luggage is roughly around 25 to 27 inches tall. This one is by World Traveler. It's a local brand as well. Pero ang tibay talaga niya. Nakita nyo inuupuan ko to. Kasya ba to for, let's say, your trip? Now, if it's a medium trip mo siya, let's say, parang ilang days ka lang, definitely kasyang-kasyang gamit mo dito. Ang kagandahan din kasi dito, guys, this also expands, this luggage expands, another parang 2 inches mo. So, if ever kailangan mo ng mas maraming gamit, then definitely pwede mo siya ipa-expand. So, this is World Traveler Lapland. Now, 3 years na rin to. Tingnan mo ang tibay and ang gulong niya maganda. Move it to a side lang. I have another one here which is also the Lapland naman, but this is the smaller one. Check-in size siya. The same, expandable rin siya, 2 inches. Similar talaga siya doon sa malaking Lapland na yan. But, ito, mas maliit lang for carry-on size mo. Both yung sa loob niya, guys, kung nakikita nyo, ganito yung divisions niya. Meron siya yung parang net na covering here. Also, on the other side, para hindi nalalaglag yung mga gamit nyo. Yung dito, buo, with some pouches here. Yung dito naman, net lang siya. Pero, for example, malaki yung gamit mo, you do not need to cover the net na. Yes, matibay po ito. This is your Lapland hand carry or carry-on size, and the other one is the medium-large size. Yun yung una kong gusto i-share sa inyo, yung Lapland na yun. So, naghanap naman ako sa Lazada ng affordable luggage. Now, sa affordable luggage, alam niyo naman, meron. As in, kung sasabihin nyo, Jax, kasi I know that the Lapland, kung hindi na sa sale yan, normal price yan sa 11,000, 12,000, pero kung nagsasale yan, especially pag mga 11,11, mga double-digit sales, guys, bumababa yan ng 9,000. So, the best way or best time to get that. But syempre, I know that you will also be asking me, Jax, meron ba yung mas mura, yung mga nasa Lazada? Okay, this just came in and I haven't tried it out yet, diba, honestly. But this is roughly, ang mura talaga nito, parang nasa 2,000 plus lang siya. Especially kung mga double-digit sale pa siya. Okay, now, nung una ko pagbukas nito, I like the color of this kasi medyo bright siya. Alam mo, paglabas ng bag mo, kitang-kita mo, alam mo siya. Now, ito, in fairness, maganda pa rin yung gulong niya. What I want to do here is I will be trying it out on my next trip, next travel. Gusto ko talaga siyang balibagin. Kasi what I love about this naman, guys, meron siya yung parang bakal dito on top, if you can see it. Etong bakal na on top na yan, at least alam mong pag nauntog yung mga bags there, hindi siya yumuyupi at hindi siya nagka-crack. So, medyo it has that flavor and you know na, okay, may protection siya. Guys, meron pa siyang cup holder. Pak! O, diba? Ang cute. And then, ito yung kanyang stroller. In fairness, not bad. Ang ganda rin. You have your locks here as well. And then, hindi nga lang siya expandable. But guys, for about, very affordable siya na presyo, why not? Diba? Okay, papakita ko sa inyo yung loob nito, guys. So, dito yung loob niyan. You have one side, naka-net siya, or parang may cover siya here, para hindi malaglag lahat ng gamit mo when you open it. Yung other side niya, wala. But it's okay, di ba? At least, meron naman siya yung pang cinch mo nito, para at least ma-cover mo. Let's say, yung mga, or parang pa-press down mo yung mga damit mo. So, this one's very affordable. What I love about it, guys, 8 pa rin yung wheels niya. Kung nakikita niyo ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, alam mong 360 spinner siya. So, kung iikot-ikutin mo yung bag mo, yes. Alam ko sabihin natin, guys, affordable bag siya, di ba? Sa harapan mo, meron pa siyang parang hook na panglagay mo ng mga shopping bags mo. Yes, affordable siya. But of course, with this, di ba, if you really need something like this, maganda rin naman. When I'm looking at the quality niya, sorry, alam niyo kinakatok ko, not bad. Matibay itong plastic niya dito sa harapan. I don't see it cracking right away. So that's one thing that I love. Especially yung gulong niya dito, kung makita niyo guys, medyo matibay siya. Sorry guys, nakita niyo talaga ganun ako mag-test ng tinataktak. So this one is the Minami luggage. Sorry, it's Mimani pala. Mimani siya. Mga nasa 2,000 plus pesos siya. So yes, ito yung sobrang affordable compared syempre to the other bags that I showed you earlier. But yung kabila naman yun, guys, ang tagal ko na talaga nagagamit yun. So yeah, one more. And last but not the least, yung recent splurge ko, yes, sa Lazada rin siya to. Nag-restock na rin sila. This is the Peak Design Roller Pro. Alam kong medyo mahal to. Medyo nasa 30 plus siya. Alam kong mahal. But guys, because I super love all of the organization here. Sa harapan mo, you have your laptop sleeve. Then dito on top naman, you have 2 places to put your power banks, mouse mo. And then meron ka pa dito other area where you can put your easy access yung mga items mo. For example, passport mo when you travel. Then guys, 360 spinner siya. And kung nakita niyo tong side na handle niya, ang nipis po ng handle niya. Because makita natin later when I open it, bakit siya ganyan kanipis. And then when you open this bag, guys, ito yung gusto ko pakita sa inyo. Alam ko nakaupo na ako dito sa sahig, nakita yung legs ko, okay lang yan. Ganyan siya, oh guys. When you put it down, makita nyo talaga dito na, okay. So when you open it, di ba parang cabinet siya? Guys, ang ganda, di ba? And then, dami niyang mga pockets here for your extra storage. Kung hindi mo kailangan naman yan, you can also have other storage here to hide your items. And then, meron pa siya dito pang tago ng mga different items mo tulad ng, let's say, more valuable mo, pwede mo itago siya dito para nakatago. Yan. And then, dito, marami siyang mga different pockets para organization is key. 1, 2, and then 3. And then, dito sa harapan, kaya di ba sabi ko sa inyo, bakit guys, ang nipis nung handle na yan, it's because almost flat yung baba na to. So we can store more items. Okay, this is cabin size lang siya. Wala siyang check-in size for this. So those are some of the luggage that I want to show you for this evening. And by the way, guys, this one, 200 plus pesos to sa Lazada. Very important to. All my bags, lagi ako meron ito. Retractable to na lock. Kasi nga, if for example, gusto mong i-lock yung bag nyo doon sa mga train, especially if you're going to Europe, guys, ito yung perfect. Kasi retractable siya. Di ba, pwede nyo i-lock yan sa isang, ikandado nyo siya doon sa luggage area, kung saan man yan. If you're in Japan, I think it's relatively safe, di ba? Pero if you want peace of mind, why not go? I'll show it to you how it works. So for example, ito yung maleta ko, di ba? So, just set your lock, retractable, kunin nyo yung gamit mo na yan, and then may poste, i-lock nyo siya sa poste. Di ba? And then, tighten mo siya para at least alam mo. Like ako, if you're going to see my bag here, lagi ako may mga locks on all sides of my bag. Tingnan mo, may lock ako dyan. Ito, pang lock ko lang yan ng personal bag ko. Pero if ever, may mga maleta ako, may duffel bag ako, all of my bags, guys, may isa akong ganito nilalagay. For the price, walang makakatalo. And you know na yung ganito kasi, mas matibay siya. Paminsan kasi yung lock doon sa bag, nasisira. At least ito, guys, tingnan mo, kahit ilang bagsak, ang cute nitong cow. Oh, tibay. So, yun yung isang reminder ko sa inyo, get a lock rin. So yes guys, yun yung mga luggage that I've been using. And then, syempre yung isa, more of the affordable that I was able to see in Lazada kasi maganda yung rating na nakuha nila. It's a 4.9 stars siya. So sabi ko, sige, try ko siya. Anyways, before I move on to the next items, let me know if ever where you're watching from or kung ano yung mga items na nag-spark ng interest sa'yo para I can do more of these vlogs. I can do more of these reviews as well if ever nagustuhan niya. Okay, next things next is syempre guys, all of your different mga pouches that I really like as well. Meron ako dito, Bellroy na pouch. So malaki lang siyang pouch and then you can just, throw in all of your different things inside. Tapos meron siyang dalawang pockets here na pwede mong ilagay yung other items mo. So for example, wallet ko, mga earphones ko, earplugs, power bank. If ever I'm on the flight, pwede ko ilagay siya para at least lagi kong kasama to. Whenever you go to the restroom, pwede mo rin siyang kasama. So you can opt for these. Or, back then, nakakuha rin ako. Ito naman is like Buna. If I'm not mistaken, Buna yung brand nito. Ito is really more of their tech pouches as well. Pwede mo rin naman ilagay dito yung mga valuables mo. Pero ito, marami lang siya mga compartment here para divided lahat ng mga tech accessories mo. You can put it inside your bag para lang malinis. And guys, very affordable yung mga to. Kasi yung iba, syempre, the more splurge, mas mahal naman talaga siya. But ito, meron siya. And then, you can put all of your valuables, especially if mag-CR kayo, for your safety. So, dito nyo ilagay lahat ng mga yan. Okay, now what I love to share as well, guys, is also mga earphones, earplugs. So, what I've been using for quite some time, kasi nga, binigay siya sa akin, is this Samsung. So, this is a Samsung, okay, hindi ko lang sure kung ano tong Samsung na to. Maybe I can just put it on the link down below. Basta ito yung pang Samsung. Hindi ito yung pinakamahal ng Samsung. Pero kasi nagustuhan ko sa kanya is because, guys, ang liit lang niya. Di ba kung nakita niyo, kapag ilalagay ko siya sa loob ng ear, tago siya. So that's what I love about it. And then, ang liit lang ng parang housing niya dito. And then USB-C na yung charge niya para at least alam mong mabilis ka mag-charge. So that's one. But recently guys, alam kong marami tayong mga issues whenever we sleep, especially mga tao na natutulog with your earphones, earplugs, yung mga ganon. And if ever meron kayong mga kasama na, light sleeper or light sleeper ka, yung gusto mo talaga walang tunog, or kung meron kasama nagsusnore, oh my gosh, this one will be your best friend. It's the Soundcore Sleep A330. Guys, tingnan mo to ha. Pak! Ang ganda. Okay. Now, I want to show you how small this device or this earplugs is. Or yung parang earphones mo. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. And then, guys ha, kung ipapasok ko siya sa tenga ko, I'll just show it to you right now. Ganyan lang kaliit. Oh. So, even if matutulog ka, side sleeper, guys, you don't feel a thing. Wala ka nararamdaman. Pag natutulog ka, let's say may humihilik dyan sa tabi mo, wala ka naririnig. Ganon! When you put it back, pakita ko sa inyo. Oh my gosh. Kahit humihilik yung mga friends mo, pag natulog kaya, pak! Wala kang maririnig. And of course, guys, next is definitely power. Now, power when it comes to me, may mga bagong plugs na binili ko, is the new Anker one. So, this is the Anker 140 watts. Yes, sabihin nyo, Jackspot, ang laki ng kailangan mong power. Okay, binili ko to because may tatlong USB port siya at saka may isang USB-A. So, importante pa rin sometimes na may USB-A ko just in case kailangan. And then, lahat naka-USB-C. And then, bakit tatlo? Kasi syempre, may mga phones ka, other things that you need to power, especially if ever you bring a laptop. Gusto mo malakas rin. So, I definitely love Anker kasi alam kong matibay siya. So, you can find it there. Anker ginagamit ko. Now, even may mga cords are also Anker. So, meron ako yung mga typical maliit or maiikli na Anker. So, yung mga maliit or maikli kong Anker, guys, ito yung madala ko lang usually together with my bag. So, kasi alam mong, let's say, nasa plane ka, magsasaksak ka, if ever may plug yung plane mo, dala-dala mo yung maiikli. So, this one is Anker and then the other ones are mas mura, Bezos. Kasi mas mura itong mga Bezos na to. So, depending on you, kung ano naman yan, both works naman. Now, whenever nasa check-in ko naman, I will have mga 3-meter cords and a 2-meter cords. So, Bezos naman to, kasi mura lang mga cables na yan. So, ito, pag natutulog, alam mo yung gusto mo katabi yung phone mo, yun, meron rin ako niyan. So, yun yung mga cords na kailangan ko. Alam ko sabihin nyo, oh my gosh, Jax, ang dami mong dala. Yes, takot ako maubos ng baterya. Okay, next is ito. Pinaka-importante to whenever you travel, guys. I can't stress it enough kasi hindi mo alam kung yung hotel mo, ano yung outlet and socket. Kasi paminsan, yung mga lobbies ng hotel, hindi ka pinapahiram. So rather, bumili ka doon ng adapter, magdala ka na lang. This one is the more splurge edition that I been using and I love. It's called Energea. Ito po yung brand niya. Sobrang heavy duty siya. You have 2 USB-Cs here and then may 3 USB-A siya dito. And then yes, worldwide adapter siya. So you have your 2-prong mga Korea, ganyan ginagamit. USA, typical. And then kung kailan mo balukto rin to or baluktutin to, pwede naman siya. Mga China sometimes has that. And then you also have one last thing is in the middle would be your UK plug. So yung mga 3-prong plug mo, Singapore, Hong Kong, ganito yung mga uso sa kanila. And guys, some hotels kasi wala, di ba? So yon, Energea to. Now, mayroon mas mura, definitely, medyo mas affordable. I've been using the Momax rin naman, and mas maliit yung profile niya. What is different here lang, guys, is wala tong mga USB ports, unlike the Energea one. Pero dito, pwede ka magsaksak isa sa taas, plus meron pa siya isa dito sa gilid. So parang 2-in-1 siya na plug. But kahit ano yung pwede mong isaksak sa taas, ganun siya. The same naman pa rin na siya with Energea. And then sa baba, the same rin siya. Pwedeng, again, EU, di ba? Mga Korea, USA, China, or Australia. And then you have UK. Singapore and Hong Kong. So, yun siya. Mga plugs na yan, very, very, very important yan. So, guys, please, 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 huwag niyong wawalain yan. And then, one more thing that I always bring, pro tip yan, guys. Don't forget kasi sometimes sa plane, kung wala kang dala, USB-A pa rin yung mga ibang airplanes. So, if ever USB-A yung nasa planes na yan, just bring one USB-A to USB-C para lang ma-charge mo pa rin yung phone mo. Just in case, emergency kailangan mo. I always have one na maikli lang para masaksak ko siya doon. Alam ko, I don't recommend you to always parang plug things. I don't. But there's a USB that you can buy right now na parang USB blocker. I'll just put up image here and I'll put the link down below na pwede nyo isaksakin sa plane tapos pwede nyo isaksak yung phone nyo para safe. Hindi ma-hack yung mga phones mo or ma-compromise yung mga device mo. So that's one thing. Daming tech, diba guys? I'm telling you, yes! Alam nyo nang very techy ako. For those na nag-work whenever you travel, like me, I do tend to work from time to time, I will have my own mouse. So this is the Logitech na MX Anywhere 3. This one is a splurge kasi mahal talaga yung Logitech na to. Pero matibay talaga siya. This one medyo mahal talaga siya. But also, pwede ka makahanap ng very similar na mouse, guys, unbranded, looks exactly the same sa Logitech mo. Syempre magaan to, kay Logitech mabigat. Different price points naman talaga siya. But I'm telling you, if hindi ka naman ma-arte sa mga mouse, I always just say, just go with the cheap one, kung ano naman pwede. Basta pag cheap one siya, or mas affordable siya, dapat meron pa rin USB port. Hindi pwede walang USB port. So, guys, rechargeable siya by USB para at least hindi na kayo magdala ng mga batteries. Actually, mas gusto ko pa nga yung mga China brands, yung mga brandless. Because, guys, kung kailangan mo ng USB dongle, yung sa kanila, built-in. Sa Logitech kasi never siya naging built-in. As in, may bit-bit ka na ganun if ever you need it. Pero, don't worry, this one, yung mas affordable, Bluetooth, USB, nandyan siya. Kung 5,000 to, ito guys, less than 500 pesos siya. And guys, if you want to listen to how clicky it is, tahimik. Ito kasi maingay. Pero ito, when you pinapress mo yung scroll, ito, mas tahimik. Mouse, definitely you still need it because you'll never know when you're going to work with your laptop and when you're editing, mas madali talaga mag-mouse kaysa mag-trackpad ka doon. Okay, next is next. If you have an iPad naman, guys, ako, ito, linimos ko tong iPad na to sa kapatid ko kasi. So, my sister and my brother, so, yung iPad sa brother ko, yung sa keyboard naman, kinuha ako kay Jazz. So, ito yung Apple keyboard na mouse, which is very expensive. As in, mabigat siya, yes, but sobrang mahal talaga niya. Parang nasa 16,000 pesos. And what I've seen online, guys, sila nyo to, ito ibibigay ko kay mommy, kasi para sa kanya talaga to. Oh my God, it's almost the same thing. May trackpad, ang ganda ng keyboard. Guys, oh, depending on what model you buy, as low as 2,000 pesos lang siya, less than pa. The same thing. Tingnan mo. Diba? Guys ha, side by side comparison ko siya ha. Oh. Oh. Guys, so liit lang to, pero oh my, the same, diba? Oh. 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 Diba? Anyways, sometimes talaga, it's not really about the price. It's really about the items that you're gonna buy lang. And kung makahanap ka na mas affordable, why not, diba? Just get that one. Okay, so yun na yan, mga iPad, mga tech gadgets that I usually bring para at least alam nyo yung mga favorite ko. Siyempre, the recent love ko is my power bank. So, the power bank that I'm currently using is the Anker pa rin. Alam nyo man, medyo bias ako kay Anker because I really love Anker rin. Kasi alam mo, matibay talaga siya and mabilis talaga siya. So, this one is the new Anker that I have. I still have other power banks naman, don't get me wrong ha. Meron ako mga small power banks as well that I'll show you later rin. For portability lang naman siya. So, this Anker is 25,000 milliampere. Now, pag titingnan nyo sa likod ng Anker na to, makita mo na may airplane siya, meaning airplane safe siya. And then, 90 watt-hour nakasulat rin siya dito kung ano yung maximum niya. Ang bawal sa mga planes is more than 100 watt-hour. This is 90 watt-hour, so pwede siya. Now, what I love about this Anker one is you'll see ano yung mga battery percentage na meron siya. You'll see the temperature of it as well. You'll see the health of the battery rin. And then guys, tingnan mo, may isang USB port siya sa taas na parang retractable. And then you have one here na USB-C as well. So, pwede mo siya pang hook mo. And then, guys, meron pa siyang USB-A here and then a USB-C here pa. So, guys, 4 na device pwede mo charge. And yes, this one can power up your MacBook. So, kung laptop mo, kaya rin power up niyan kasi 165 watts ang piniproduce niyang power na pwede niyang ilabas. Guys, pwede to. Ang ganda. And portable siya. Now, sabihin nyo sa akin malaki siya. Guys, if you don't want a heavy power bank, go with a lighter one. Marami silang mga options as well. Then, I also will have mga smaller power banks. These are just like a Momax power banks. Ito naman, parang cute lang to. Soda Pop, o diba? Mas maliit for emergency or if you have a small bag na gusto mong ilagay, then yes, yun siya. I also even have one more here. I'll just pull it out. Sa luggage ko siya. Diba nakita nyo? This one is also Momax. This is called the One Power Badge. So, emergency power bank rin siya. Meron siyang MagSafe sa likod. But what's good about it, guys, may Find My feature siya. So if ever kailangan kong hanapin yung bag na to, lalagay ko to dito para alam ko na, okay, this power bank is inside this bag para at least every time na, oh my God, may hanapin ako, hindi ko mahanap yung just in case, knock on wood, hindi mahanap natin yung luggage natin. Ito yung hand carry, at least alam ko, nandito sa loob. Diba? Ang ganda. Okay. Yun. And guys, syempre, ito yung one of my favorite na I'm sure nakita nyo lagi. Kung dala ko yung phone ko, meron ako nitong portable parang tripod. This one can go 2 levels. So, pag ganito yung isang level, and then pwede ka naman smaller or pag ganitong level siya. Diba? So, parang 2 levels siya. Isang patayo, and then isang mas mababa. And then guys, pwede rin siya pagilid. So, if ever kailangan mo diba? Gamitin as tripod, pwede. So, this one is by Moft. Alam niyo, makita mo, sirang-sira na siya by Moft. This is kind of expensive kasi nasa 2,000, 3,000 pesos to. But recently, may nakita ko, oh my gosh, very similar siya, parehas. Oh, the same level. Oh, the same, diba? And then, guys, pwede rin siyang ganito, oh, diba? The same talaga siya. Mas makapal lang siya. I'm sorry. Mas makapal lang siya ng konti sa Moft. The magnet of the Moft, syempre, is better than this. But guys, it's roughly around 400 pesos or less. So, choose. Splurge or affordable. Or parang similar but cheaper. Ganon siya, diba? So, yun yung isa. Yun yung bonus item ko para sa inyo. And then, taking my photos, ang tripod ko will be the Ulanzi. Ginagamit ko siya ngayon, kaya hindi ko siya mapakita sa inyo ngayon. But that's it. And then, last bonus, 2 things lang siya because syempre, we have pets at home rin that I wanna share with you. This one I recently got and it just arrived as well. Guys, tingnan mo to. This one, ceramic siya. I personally like ceramic kasi gusto ko mas malinis kasi ceramic, mas madali rin siyang linisin. Ito, automatic filter siya for dogs and cats as well. So, may pet kami sa bahay, di ba? We have Gigi and Habibi. So, definitely importante talaga na malinis talaga yung mga water na ininom nila. Or, pinifilterize siya or parang laging fresh. Yun yung importante sa akin. So, this one, automatic yung pump mo siya dito. Rechargeable po siya using USB-C. So, wala kang takot. Then, the tray on top is also ceramic. So, parang currently kasi ceramic rin ginagamit nila or stainless. But at least, guys, hindi sila maninibago. And then, yung second layer here, meron po siyang filter. So, kahit iwanan mo lang siya, alam mong linilinis yung filter lagi. Malinis yung tubig. And this is the whole canister here. Tingnan mo naman guys, gaano kalaki. Diba? Parang 1 litro ata ng tubig ang pwede and kasya dito. So, kahit umalis ka, walang problema. Diba? Kahit few days, at least you're sure that your pets will always have clean, filtered water na iniinom sila. Last but not the least, syempre, importante sa akin mga speakers ko rin. Now, itong speaker na to, guys, do you imagine yung price nito? 800 plus pesos lang siya. If sale, guys, mas mura pa yan. Definitely USB-C rin siya. And then, tingnan mo, ang ganito, may pa-light effect siya. So, perfect to, for example, you have a laptop, you have a desk, diba, na parang nandyan yung monitor mo, walang speaker yung monitor. You can use this as a speaker or ilagay mo siya beside your bed para lagi kang may music whenever matutulog ka. Kasi, guys, ang sleek niya. Ganyan lang siya. parang wala lang siya, oh. Parang nakatago siya. And yung speaker grill niya, pataas po siya na naririnig mo. And not only that, meron ako mga kaibigan, like one of my closest friend, every time kami magta-travel, guys, yes, dala niya yung own speaker niya. And what I love about the speaker na to, guys, at least ang sleek niya. Diba? Gusto ko yung ganito, yung sleek lang talaga, yung parang wala lang sila dyan. So guys, yes, ang dami ko nang na-share. And then let me know ano yung pinaka-favorite sa mga shinare ko. Let me know ano pa yung gusto nyo makita. Ano pa yung mga other items that you want to see me vlog about. Yes, I know medyo konti lang na-cover natin dito. Ano pa yung gusto nyong i-cover ko para at least may part 2 pa tayo. Please let me know. And then, by the way, syempre, links will all be down below as well. I wanna give and shout out lang syempre to Lazada. Kasi guys, alam nyo ba, Lazada shopping is now on YouTube. Automatically, pag meron mga links, you can see it as well. So, not all of my videos definitely have those links pa rin naman yan. But, syempre, slowly, at least ma-update ko na siya. And then next time, hindi na ako kailangan i-message pa na kung ano yung item na yun. But if gusto nyo akong i-message pa rin, walang problema. Go i-message nyo pa rin ako para at least lagi i-share ko pa rin sa inyo yung mga items na yan.